Imaginary solutions. So I have a ghost. Are they imaginary or not? Who knows? But I do have imaginary numbers. And by that, I have, here's when I have x squared equals negative 49. And the reason we have this is because technically to find this answer, I square root each side and I can have a positive or negative. What's negative 49? No, I need the square root of negative 49, but there's a positive answer to that and a negative answer to that. So, but how do you do one with an imaginary answer? Well, the first thing you have to do is what I call pull the I out. Remember, I'm a trained professional, so do not try to pull a real EYE I out. I'm going to pull the imaginary I out. And basically what I do is, well, I have a cyclops here, one eye. I'm going to pull this one eye out and basically just take a negative and put an I in front of it. That makes it an imaginary number. And then what's the square root of 49? Well, it's 7. Oh, so the answer is a positive 7i or negative 7i. So basically what we're going to do is put a plus or minus in front of our number, square root it, and pull an I out. Exactly. Pull the I out, plus or minus the square root of this, because we have a positive or negative. Pull the I out, and square root of 81 is 9. Oh, what about one like 27 where it's like a number doesn't go in evenly? Well, it's still got to be positive or negative. You still have to pull an I out. And then don't forget, how can I find 27? I could do a factor tree, which I know 9 times 3, or I like going to my calculator, doing my 27 divided by x squared, and looking for the numbers that don't have a decimal anymore. So it's 3 square roots of 3, but don't forget the I. Now, some books will put the I after the square root of 3. I don't like to do that because I don't want people to get confused with the fact the I is not in the square root. So I write mine like this, but you have a positive 3i square root of 3 and a negative 3i square root of 3 for an answer.